Ever wondered how to jumpstart your garden? Today we're diving into the world of plug or starter vegetable plants and how they can revolutionize your gardening experience. Firstly, one of the substantial benefits of these ready-to-plant veggies is their time-saving aspect. Picture this: instead of waiting patiently for seeds to germinate and grow into seedlings, you can kickstart your garden with plants that already have a head start. This not only fast-tracks you to the joy of homegrown vegetables, but also saves you those precious weeks of waiting. The second benefit lies in the variety at your fingertips. With starter plants, you're not restricted to the seeds available at your local store. Nurseries and garden centers offer a cornucopia of vegetable plants, introducing you to a broader range of species and varieties. It's like opening a door to a whole new world of gardening possibilities. Next, let's talk about reducing risks. Gardening, like any venture, comes with its own set of uncertainties. But with plug or starter vegetable plants, you're already a step ahead. These plants have proven their resilience by reaching a certain stage of growth, increasing your chances of a successful harvest compared to the unpredictability of seeds. Lastly, we can't ignore the convenience offered by these plants. Imagine the simplicity of transplanting ready-to-grow plants directly into your garden, eliminating the need for germination and delicate seedling care. It's like having a garden that's ready to go at a moment's notice. To wrap up, plug or starter vegetable plants can be a true game changer for your garden. They save you time, offer a wider variety, reduce risks, and provide unparalleled convenience. So, the next time you're planning your garden, why not give these plants a go? You might just find yourself thanking us later. Until next time, here's to fruitful gardening.